Düsseldorf. Over 600,000 people live here. There's a lot of traffic and some 600 traffic lights. Soon, most of them will be connected. A system-wide green wave. That's what Audi's Traffic Light Information service provides. We know when a light is going to turn red and when it's green, and we use this information to calculate recommendable speeds, which tell the driver at what speed he should drive in order to reach the next traffic light as it turns green. This leads to the feeling of a green wave. If a red light is unavoidable, the seconds count down until the next available green phase. The advantages of both functions are obvious. Less traffic light stress increases comfort. Less unpredictability increases safety. Less stop and go increases traffic flow and hence fuel efficiency. Various studies show that in this manner there can be at least a 10% saving in fuel. That's really cool and is a contribution to Audi's sustainability strategy. Cooperation with the city is of particular importance, as here in Düsseldorf, because the Traffic Control Center provides the operating program for the traffic lights along with real-time data from the traffic computer, which constantly influences the traffic light switching. These include detector loops in the street, bus or train registrations, and pedestrian crossing buttons. The way the traffic light has behaved in the past also plays a role. Audi uses all of this information to feed a complex algorithm that predicts how the traffic light will behave in the next 2 minutes. We at Audi apply relatively strict quality criteria. When the predicted traffic light change fits the reality, then this information will be displayed to the driver. The system recognizes neither the customer nor the vehicle, but solely a GPS signal. We never know at any time which customer or vehicle sent the GPS position. This enables patterns to be identified, for example when cars have to stop unusually often or for long periods of time at certain traffic lights. Audi sends the city this information, enabling it to optimize the traffic light system so that in the future traffic flows better. Traffic light information began in the USA in 2016 and is now available at over 10,000 intersections in North America, including some 2,000 in Manhattan. Düsseldorf is the second European city after Ingolstadt, with more cities to come.